Hey guys, it's Josh. Hey, it's a little cold out, but I thought I'd make a video. I'm gonna send these out every week. Maybe we'll call them Monday Minutes with Josh. I don't know. But, I wanted to encourage you and inspire you every Monday. Some people will hear about Elon Musk and it's like, oh, he's a billionaire. I can't ever do that. But I met this guy. He was on the side of the road, completely homeless, and he draws art. And I went and talked to him. I was like, dude, what's your story? Like, how did this happen? His name's Miles. So turns out he's helping me with my side business now. And I said, hey, I'm going to help you. I'm not making any money from it, but I thought we could use this to follow Miles' progress, like what side business he starts, how does he do, how much money does he make, how's he feeling emotionally. He's living in a tent right now. So hopefully that will find and give you guys some encouragement, because right now with the news, everybody's discouraged. The world's coming to an end. It is bad right now. I get that. The economy's tanking. Thankfully, my business has not been hit, my side business, yet. In 2008, 2009, things got really rough for me. Had to do a bunch of side work, things like that. So I'm hoping that this can help you all. Follow along. I'll send out the videos every Monday. Might even have him on just so you can meet the guy and hear his thoughts. But Miles, homeless dude, living in a tent, if he can do it, you can do it. All right, see you next Monday.